Welcome to our guide on troubleshooting common Verizon remote issues in 2025. Understanding these challenges is crucial for a seamless viewing experience. Let's explore some common problems with Verizon remotes. Symptoms can include unresponsive buttons, a frozen screen, or connectivity issues. Step 1 is to check the batteries. Ensure you have fresh batteries ready to replace and test them if necessary. Next, ensure there is a clear line of sight between your remote and the device. Obstacles can hinder communication. Step 3 is resetting your remote. Follow these simple instructions to reset your device effectively. Now, let's discuss repairing your remote with the set-top box to ensure proper functionality. Step 5 involves troubleshooting any interference sources. Identify potential devices that may disrupt your remote's signal. Lastly, explore available software updates for your remote and devices. Keeping everything updated is essential. If you're unable to resolve the issue, it's time to contact Verizon support. They can help with unfixable issues. In conclusion, these strategies can help you effectively troubleshoot many common Verizon remote issues.